you will need to copy this into your notes. So you will need to pause the video at this time so you can copy all of these into your notes. Given the functions f of x equals x squared and g of x equals 1 minus x, we're going to do the following. We're going to add the two functions, f plus g of x, which means I just do x squared plus 1 minus x, which is equal to x squared minus x plus 1 when I put it in descending order. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing with the next one, except for this one is a minus, so that's x squared minus, and that minus goes with the 1 and the minus x. So that gives me, distributing the negative to both of these, that gives me x squared plus x minus 1. Okay, next I'm going to multiply the two functions. X squared times 1 minus x, which means I'm going to take the x squared times the 1 and the x squared times the minus x, which gives me x squared minus x cubed. And our last one is going to be dividing the two functions. And that's just x squared divided by 1 minus x. There is nothing I can simplify, so that is my solution. Now we're going to do the composition of two functions and then find the domain. So that's going to be f of g of x, which means I take my f of x, which is the square root of x, and instead of putting x in there, I'm going to put in what g of x is, which is x squared plus 4. Okay, there's my function. Now, all I want to do is determine the domain. Since this is a squared term, my values for x can be positive or negative, because when I square them, they'll all become positive. So my domain for my composite function is negative infinity to positive infinity.